We have with us Mr. Sumeet Khubchandani. He looks after the sales for Indigo Properties LLC, Dubai. And we're going to talk to Sumeet about the property potential in Dubai. Sumeet, tell us as to why so many Indians are investing in the Middle East and in particularly in Dubai.
Well, Dubai has always been a place where Indians go to work and make money. Currently, over 30% of the freehold property in Dubai is owned by Indians because the Indians enjoy a fantastic rental return in Dubai, which is tax-free. Worldwide average rental returns are much lower than what you get in Dubai, and they're definitely much higher than what you get in India. Currently, the rental returns are 6 to 9%. Apart from the rental returns, the capital appreciation in Dubai has been in the past quite good. From the year 2011 till now, in the past 4 years, Dubai property prices have gone up roughly 60%, which is it's not a small deal. It's a very good growth in property. So, as a long-term investment, a property asset always is the best bet. And currently, Indians are looking more and more to settle down in Dubai and not come back. Earlier, there was a short-term time frame they were looking at, and now it's a much longer settle down scenario. So, which is why property prices are booming.
Okay, it may sound a little repetitive, but then what I want to know from you is if we were to draw comparisons between properties in India, properties in Middle East, and in particular Dubai, and properties elsewhere, so why does it make good business sense for someone to invest in Dubai?
Well, it's got a lot to do with Dubai as a city. The composition of Dubai is such that the location is it's in between the producing countries in the east and the consuming nations in the west. So it's become a trade and commerce capital of the world. So it attracts a lot of businessmen, tradesmen to Dubai. The second part of Dubai is as UAE as a country is naturally rich. It has oil reserves, and it doesn't tax its citizens, nor does it tax its expats. So a tax-free nature of Dubai also is a big draw for a lot of expats. In terms of growth, Dubai is a growing city. It's growing at a phenomenal pace. About 3 years back, the population of Dubai was close to 2 million. Now it's 2.5. So that's a very rapid growth in population, and all these people coming into Dubai to make money need some place to live, which is why it's cascading down into the property market, and that market is witnessing a very good growth number. So most cities where people are used to investing, even Western countries like New York or London, or Eastern countries like Hong Kong or Singapore, or places like many places in India are witnessing good growth as well, but none are growing as fast as Dubai is. It was named the best property market in the world in 2013, and 2014 also it grew a lot.
Okay, now given the fact that there are too many property options available for Indians in Middle East and in particular in Dubai, can you please take us through why Zen, Indigo Properties Dubai has launched this project Zen. So can you please tell us as to how it is different, how it is unique, and why should one invest in Zen?
Sure. Dubai has been known traditionally for its ocean-facing projects, the Palm Islands, and a lot of these ocean-facing buildings in the marina, and of course its tall towers, with the tallest tower in the world being in Dubai. But what we've done is we've done something very different. We are building about 350 villas in a land area that spans over 100 acres. The land area will be 60% green. What it means is a lot of parks. There are 20 community parks for kids to play in. There are a lot of natural winding jogging tracks and walkways, over 6.5 kilometers of them. There's naturally flowing streams with cascading water. So it's a very lush, green, verdant community that we are coming up with. And to provide the residents with amenities, we've got 2 clubhouses, we've got a retail community center, and all this is part of a big plan by Indigo to build and deliver the best community that Dubai has seen.
Thank you. This is Dheeraj Ahuja for BoldReality.com.